In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a small number above text in Google Docs. This feature, known as Superscript, is particularly useful for things like mathematical formulas, scientific notation, or even just to spruce up some text with style. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process, step by simple step. First, you'll want to head over to Google Docs. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL docs.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to create a new document or open an existing one. If you already have a document that you want to work with, simply click to open it. If you're starting from scratch, hit the plus blank button to create a new document. Now that you have your document open, it's time to type the text and number that you want to transform. Let's say you're writing something like E at MCL2 and you want the 2 to appear as a superscript. Go ahead and type out E at MC2 in your document. With your text in place, the next step is to highlight the specific numbers or text that you wish to turn into a superscript. For our example, you'll highlight that lonely 2 you just typed. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the number, or if it's just a single character, simply double click it. Next, redirect your attention to the top menu of your Google Doc. You'll see a variety of options, but the one we're interested in is labeled Format. Click on Format, and a drop-down menu will appear displaying several customization options for your text. Look down the list and find the option labeled Text. Hover over this and another submenu will reveal itself. In this menu, you'll find various styling choices, but the one you're after today is Superscript. Click on Superscript, and voila, your number should magically lift itself above the rest of the text, giving it that professional, polished look of a superscript. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a small number above your text in Google Docs. This simple technique can make your documents look more specialized and tailored, whether you're preparing schoolwork, complex equations, or even just adding a touch of elegance to your notes. Remember, you can easily reverse the superscript formatting by simply re-highlighting your text, heading back to the format menu and clicking on superscript again to toggle it off. Feel free to experiment with different parts of your text to find what works best for your needs. Thanks for watching and happy editing!